Hi, Quality Air Solutions here with another quick dryer vent cleaning video as a reminder. These are not stock photos, these are real photos from our projects, our jobs here. And this is dryer vent cleaning Bethesda home, and this is typical for what we see in the Washington, D.C., Montgomery County area. It's typical everywhere. We all dry clothes every week, most people do, and we do about the same amount every year unless we add to our family size, which means it's going to be even more. And these dryer vents begin to accumulate debris and lint primarily from the clothes that are dried. And this does two things when you have this kind of buildup. One, it slows down, it makes the time for clothes drying longer, which increases your bill, either electric or gas bill. More importantly, this buildup, this is like a spark for a fire, and this is why every year there are still dryer vent fires, which could be prevented by getting them clean. Dryer vent cleaning prevents fires. It is the leading cause of dryer to catch fire, this buildup here. So make sure that you really consider dryer vent cleaning. One, to speed up your drying time, which is good for the environment and is good for your bank account, and number two, to prevent a dryer vent fire. And by the way, dryer vent fires on average cost and damage over $9,100. That's from the U.S. Fire Administration. So dryer vent cleaning services along with duct cleaning services can not only improve the quality of the air in your home, but they can increase the safety. And Quality Air Solutions is here to help you with that. So we look forward to hearing from you.